this end down here.
I'll roll it down into the truck, man.
Alright, the last one was like 7 minutes. I don't even know if I can hold this camera that long. Look at that. 10,000. What? Top that, nigga. I don't know who gonna clean all that up, man. I really don't. $10,000. I mean, about 10,000, dog. We're not done. We're not done. We're not done. Nigga, show off, kid. 10,000, dog. You quit moving your fat butt in front of the camera. Now these just keep popping the fireworks under the car. One of them gonna blow up on them. Boom! That's gonna be the biggest fireworks. Oh, that's so weak. Not even halfway done yet, people. 4 minutes in, holla at your boy. Okay, while this going on, what did you gotta say for yourself?
All I gotta say is I don't really think there was any point of me buying this stuff because ain't nobody really messing with me. Y'all see me soon back online on Call of Duty. That's all I got to say, dog. Meet me on Call of Duty, baby. That BCJ Xbox Live all day, every day. Back to the 8,000 road.
Back to our program. Anybody on YouTube, anybody around the world, show me 10,000. They don't even do this at the VP. Show me 10,000. Hey, cuz, they don't even do this at the BP. Look how much we got left, fella. Look how much we got left. Just to let y'all know. Quit playing. Quit playing. Quit playing. Oh, what's up? You see what your son doing?
Right.
I'm about to turn the camera off. Hey, Tim. Hey, Tim. I don't think you mess with that, dog. 10,000.
Hey, listen to this. This is shut that shit down. I'm gonna show you how to rumble the ground. Hold on.
Hey, whatever he talking about, back to my dude, right here. What you gonna do, Tim? Tim, go. Hey, Tim. My dude had enough. It could go all night long. Why you pop all yours, his still going. Don't think that's it. Don't think that's it. Don't think that's it.
Hey, we're gonna go down the street. Watch that. You gonna watch the camera or what?
Yeah, we're gonna go down the street. We'll be back. We'll be back. We'll be back, Tim.
I'll show you how to shut the ground.
We'll be back, Tim. We'll be back. Hey, I said you can find all your
Hey, you
stuff.
can start recording that, man.